Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nazom and I take tech product to help you find the best tech for a cheaper price, especially when you are trying to save money. Today I'm checking out Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 7. So the video is a detailed unboxing and long-time use of Mi Band Smart 7, one of the Xiaomi most popular and affordable fitness trackers. It is designed for people who want to keep track of their health, fitness and everyday activity without spending too much money. Now let's talk about the unboxing. So inside the box we find three main items: the Mi Smart Band 7, a magnetic USB charging cable, a user manual with instruction on how to set up and use the band. The band itself looks sleek and modern with a bigger 1.62-inch display AMOLED screen which is larger and brighter compared to other models. The display is colorful, sharp and easy to read both indoors and outdoors. The band comes with a smooth black silicone strap that feels comfortable on the wrist and is suitable for all-day wear. And also the band is available in different types of color: black, green, blue, white and lastly chain strap. So you can personalize your look if you want to switch things up. To start using the Mi Smart Band 7, you need to download the Mi Fitness or Zepp Life app on your smartphone. It is compatible with both Android 4.4 and iOS 10 and above. Once the app is installed, you can simply pair the band with your phone using Bluetooth. The setup process is quick and easy even for beginners. The touchscreen display is very responsive. You can swipe through different menus and features smoothly, and the watch faces are fully customizable. You can choose from lots of design in the app or even set your own photos as background. The Mi Smart Band 7 is more than just a watch. It's a smart health companion. Through the app, you can see the detailed information like steps taken, heart rate data, SpO2, which is a blood oxygen level, sleep tracking, battery percentage, notification from your phone and even more. One of the biggest advantages is that the Mi Band is water resistant to up to 50 meters, so you can wear it while swimming, showering or even during a rainy workout. It features a 247 heart rate monitor that keeps an eye on your pulse all day long. If your heart rate gets too high while you are resting, the band will vibrate to alert you, which is helpful for staying aware of your health. There are over 100 sports and fitness modes, including running, cycling, walking, jumping rope, and more. The band helps track your progress during workout so you can improve over time. It also includes an ideal alert that gives you a gentle reminder to get up and move if you have been sitting for a long time. The new feature is that it came with different apps that are not available in other Mi versions, such as a flashlight, Pomodoro, timer or silent mode toggle, and lastly it supports always on display, which allow users to view time and notification without raising their wrist or tapping on the screen. Charging the Mi Smart Band 7 is simple. Thanks to the magnetic charger, you can just click the charger onto the back of the band. No need to remove the strap like in other versions. A full charged can last up to 14 days depending on how much you can use some features. Features like always on display, it kills battery faster. Using these features, your battery will last 4 to 7 days or less. The band also tracks your sleep patterns, including deep sleep, light sleep, RM cycles, and even shorter naps. This information helps you understand your sleep habits and make improvement if needed. The Mi Smart Band costs around maybe 40,000 naira or under $40 right now, because I bought mine 2 years ago, especially when you consider the features and pack into this device. To be sincere, I'm really impressed with this. I'm really impressed with this Smart Band 7. Like I like the clean look, simple design, comfortable fit, and the amount of value it offers at such a low price. It's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable fitness tracker on a budget. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more honest tech review like this. It helps the channel a lot. Bye. Thank you very much. Okay.